Hello, are you sitting comfortably? Then we'll begin. As promised, I said we'd look through some of the pages of the book that I thought might need explanating. You can keep that one if you want. Page 17 just leaped straight out at me because I actually nearly didn't get into the book confidentially. And actually only got into the book because I think the publishers thought it was a pretty diagram. I did explain that a diagram should be explained because it is an explanation of something within itself. So it made it in there, but not quite how I would hope. So let's give that a quick explanation, shall we? Here's the real thing. This way better like that, can't see me. Let's have a quick talk through it, shall we? So, in the centre we have the three primary colours. Yes, they're red, yellow and blue. Those who want to argue that, oh, magenta, cyan, whatever, okay, there's cyan, there's magenta. We'll go through that in a minute. So essentially the three primary colours, if you reduce them down, would be red, yellow and red, yellow and blue. Just checking I got that the right way around. Now, what you can then do is you can subdivide them into the two temperatures, so you've got a warm and a cool, for want of a better term, of each of those primary colours. Okay, so we've got a warm red here and a cool red, which you can call magenta if you like. That is in fact magenta, that's PR122. You've got a cool blue, which if you really want to, you can call cyan. And we've got a warm blue. Did I say cool blue? Yeah, cool blue, warm blue, and this is ultramarine, PB29. Then you've got a warm yellow and a cool yellow. That's important because each of these primary colours in fact contains the influence within it of another colour. So I just noticed there's a spider up there, so squirrel! So anyway, getting back to this. So each of these primary colours also has a secondary colour within it, if you like, as how it kind of operates when it comes into when it happens when you try to mix them, basically. Okay, so the warm yellow has got the influence of red within it, and the cool yellow has the influence of blue within it. Now, if we look at these outer rings here, the mysterious outer rings of diagram. The yellow shows the influence of yellow as kind of the hidden colour within the other colours. So warm red, yellow and yellow obviously, and cool blue all have the influence of yellow within them. Now the red ring does the same thing for red, so warm yellow, red and red obviously, and then warm blue all have the influence of blue within them. So it's kind of as if when you're mixing, those colours have also got blue in them, as well as being yellow, red, red and blue. And the blue ring on the outside there, that shows that cool blue, two blues obviously, and magenta all have the influence of blue within them. So when you're mixing, you have to kind of think about that as if it has another colour within it. So it's like a bonus thrown in. It's like you've grabbed a bit of the spectrum, and you've also grabbed a bonus bit, which isn't terribly helpful when you're mixing colours, but it is important to try and understand. Now these are the secondaries. So you've got purple, green and orange, and what you can't probably see very clearly on the diagram there, maybe you can, I don't know, is that they are actually slightly different to one another. That's because I've matched these secondaries to these primaries. So this green, if mixed with this red, will create a type of black, a neutrality. And that's what happens when you add a complementary to a primary like that. You will, all three primaries together will create neutrality in some form or other. So yeah, so this one is slightly bluer because this is a yellow or red, and this one's slightly yellower because this is a blue or red. And the same on these as well. You can't see it very clearly, but this is, I think, slightly warmer purple because this is a cooler yellow, and this is a cooler purple because this is a warmer yellow. So you can see that this has more blue. This one has more red, and you get the balance right. They will cancel one another out and create black. But that's this diagram. I just want to quickly talk about it, and so I've done that now. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and record some more of the other bits of the book when I get around to it. So in the meantime, thanks. See you later.